what I was gonna do in the first place.
Now tie me up.
I got you. Yes, sir. We official up in here. We some chefs. Chef-boyarSteve, Chef Dionyse,
and Chef Sortland. Get it. We gonna cook. Hey, we gonna cook. What? You got it? No. We gonna cook.
If I hit him one time, it's over.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody. You guys, I'm behind the camera today.
It's cooking with dude number 2.
And Dudette.
No, I'm not dude number 2 today. I'm Chef-boyarSteve.
Oh, my goodness. Y'all need to get this fly out of here.
Yeah, that's what I can't. What, moving too fast.
It wants a crunch wrap.
Okay, so what are you fixing today?
Today, I'm fixing a crunch wrap. Well, Crunchwraps. Because...
Get the fly.
He had the light.
I don't know.
Blind him.
Oh, y'all in here fighting with a fly.
I just need to hit him one time. There he is.
Where?
I just need to hit him one time.
Where?
If I hit him one time, it's over.
So today, our ingredients are, these are like tostadas. Yes, I got it right the first time.
Let me see it.
They're tostadas, so this is what makes the crunch wrap crunch. It goes in the middle. And then I have really, really large flour tortillas. You need the big ones, so that way it'll go over the tostada. We've got lettuce, if you like lettuce. Got a little tomato, if you like tomatoes. Sour cream, for sure.
Got to have sour cream.
Got to have sour cream. We have some cheese, salsa con queso.
What kind of cheese is it?
It is salsa con queso.
Salsa con queso.
Yes. Then we need some oil because we're going to have to fry it a little bit so that way they stay in place. And then, of course, your regular taco seasoning, whatever you want in ground beef. Okay? So first, I've already got my ground beef cooked. And I've got my taco seasoning in here. So it's looking really good. You smell it, Steven? Where'd he go?
Steven left out. Chef-boyarSteve and dips it.
He sure did. Okay, so it smells really good. I cooked the ground beef. Then I rinsed it with some water. Put it back in there. And then I put the seasoning in there. And I put a little bit of water also in there.
Did you wash your hands?
I did wash my hands. My mama taught me very well.
That's right. Don't be in the kitchen with nasty hands because that's
just nasty.
Nasty.
Alright, so that is off. So now I've also cleaned off my counter because it makes it easy for you to just make your tostada or your crunch wraps. And I can just lay everything out.
Chef-boyarSteve.
Your boy Chef, excuse me. What's your name? Chef-boyar what? Chef
And you guys, they're cooking together today. Dude number 2 is getting ready to leave for college in a few days.
I need another pie.
And he wanted crunch wraps.
And he wanted his sister to fix. Excuse me, I'm talking and y'all just trying to tell the people.
The kitchen.
Oh, y'all. Anyway,
kitchen.
he wanted his sister to fix him some crunch wraps. So that's what they're doing. And which, Steve, are you going to fix?
Fries. I need another
French fries as usual.
No, you don't. Just clean it out.
That's what I'm saying. Clean it out.
No, you need to just dump that out. You need whole new oil.
That's what I'm saying.
Get a bag.
Chill, Steve.
Chill, boy. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna go and start these crunch wraps because dude number 2 is, well, Chef-boyarSteve is doing the fries. So to start these crunch wraps, he only likes cheese and meat. He doesn't like the lettuce. You want sour cream?
No ma'am.
He doesn't want sour cream. He don't want
a
tomato.
basic crunch wrap.
And
you gotta do.
Dude number 3 over there gonna want the same thing too. So
keep it simple. Simple way is the best way.
So you put it in the middle. And I'm gonna try and get as many of these.
Can you kind of move the pot out the way?
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Y'all can tell I'm not used to cooking on screen. I just cook. So I'm just doing this to get my crunch wraps set up.
Oh, so you just put everything in the middle like that?
Mm-hmm.
And the only thing you did was put the taco seasoning inside the
ground beef.
The ground beef. What you need? You need to do something, man. Your wife.
I just need to figure out what I'm saying. How you talking about cleaning this pot?
She was talking about just draining the grease.
You don't cook.
Just take that baby. You go grab the pot. Grab the pan And then just pour some of the grease. Do you want to do the skillet?
Cause I'm gonna use the black.
Oh, you're gonna use the skillet.
Which I mean, we can honestly use the same thing. It's not gonna really leak out. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about
Oh, we can use that then?
it. Yeah. We'll use that.
When she get through with the crunch wraps?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah,
Cause it won't take the fries long. The grease already get hot.
Oh, for sure. Talk to me. So, just in case y'all didn't know, I'm doing French fries today because everybody in the house know that I do the best French fries because you got that crunch to it, that golden look to it. Like, my French fries just be A1. So, I'm doing the French fries today and she got the crunch wraps. So, we're going to have a good dinner today.
Good dinner.
I'm gonna tell you like you be talking about daddy time. That's all you know how to do is the chicken wings and the rice. and what is chicken wings, rice, and what's green beans? I see you grating that cheese, Chef Boyardee.
I mean, you know, as long as my chicken's moving, I'm good.
Oh my goodness, don't
What?
start.
What? I love how y'all all said it at the same time.
Like what are you? What your chicken?
I'm trading all this.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all want cheese.
You might as well, cause you gonna want some breakfast in the morning, and we gonna need
You gonna be
cheese
cheese
for the
You need
eggs.
cheese?
I'm done.
Chef Boyardee, you know what you're doing, making them French fries?
Of course. I wouldn't be in the kitchen if I didn't know what I was doing. So, what's these called? Is it like what's it called?
Orida.
Alright, you
Orida?
standing there with the bag?
I didn't know how to pronounce it though.
Orida.
Yeah, so today we using.
O'Reilly.
Oh no, that's O'Reilly. Isn't that a commercial?
I'm singing with her.
O'Reilly.
But now we using these Orida French fries. I'm sorry you can't see the name.
Orida.
Orida French fries, and I like
Is
using
that
these.
what it is? Let me see.
Yeah,
Or Orida. Yeah.
Right. I like using these French fries because when I'm in like cooking them in the grease, I can see if they're done or not based on like how brown they are. So I like using these French fries better. So like you can use any French fry you want to when you're making them, but you can use any French fry you want to when you're making them. But like I said, this is my favorite one because I can see how brown they are. I can see when they're done. I'm gonna teach y'all a trick too to teach y'all like when they're crunchy. You know how you know if they're crunchy? Because like I said, I make the best French fries, so I got y'all in that part.
I passed on the torch to him.
You
though.
did, and my French
I
fries are
did.
better
Y'all
than
make
yours.
French fries if y'all can't make nothing else.
Yeah, we know how to make them. The trick I was telling you about, so like when you want crunchy French fries, this is the way that you check them. So when you're in the grease, take a spatula, whatever you're using to like turn the fries, and go over top of them like that.
Yeah. And what
So
do they do?
it feels like you would hear a certain sound. So like when you know how crunchy, I don't know how to explain the sound. Like kind of like that. So if you hear that sound,
Wait a minute, what's the sound again?
kind of like that. So if you hear that, when you hear that sound, that's how you know they're crunchy. So now we just waiting on them to get golden. But I'll show y'all what we have so far. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. I mean, I'm honestly like I really do this. I really for real. You so loud. Come on, dude. Number one.
He always loud.
Always loud.
He always loud.
I'm sorry.
I mean, he just really interrupts
He really did.
I'm glad I was done.
He really did.
the fries. Oh yeah. Oh
It's got that crunch to it, as you can tell by how golden they are. So if you want to, you can add some seasoning. You don't have to. No, we will. We're not gonna go crazy with
We
it.
like seasoned salt around here. Well, you gotta shake it. Don't be scared.
I made more than I usually do. So I don't want them falling out.
So they're done. Yeah,
Boy,
we
get the thing.
Oh, I didn't see
moving the grease off the
I had to get the
stove.
tostadas together.
Oh yeah.
All right.
So now you're gonna fix the crunch wraps.
Yep. So this is what makes it crunch. This is what makes it crunch. So you just put that on top. Sometimes they're a little broken, but I got a good bag. Got a pretty good bag. That one was broken. This one. And I push it down a little bit because you gotta be able to stuff these, so you need as much space as possible.
Hey, what you stuffing them with?
So Stephen and Paul's will be just the meat. So I'll probably put some cheese on top of here. And then the rest of them will have like lettuce, tomato, sour cream, and cheese on there. Those are done. Stevie, you said no sour cream, right?
No, ma'am.
Alright. So. Alright. Actually, let me go on and get theirs frying because I can get theirs done. So we got cheese. Mom and Steven grated cheese. So it's nice, freshly grated. I'll just put it on top because you want it to be able to stick the crunch wrap. So put it on top. I'm gonna put it kind of around because when I fold it, it might have a little bit of opening left, and I don't want that cheese to get into the grease. Okay, so I just added a dollop of sour cream on the ones that want sour cream on there. And then what you'll do is spread it around the tostada, because what you're going to do is also put the lettuce and whatever toppings you want. Some people might want rice and beans. We're simple. We just like lettuce and tomato, sour cream, and cheese. So, and I have to remember what certain people want, but certain people don't want other things. So we got the sour cream. Gonna get our tomato and our lettuce. So tomato on 3 of these.
So when you fry it with the tomatoes on there too?
Mm-hmm. I got the perfect size tomato too. That was great. We're not wasting nothing over her. Okay, that's done. And now lettuce. Like I said, it's whatever you want. But we just put what we like. Last but not least, some more cheese.
Cheese, please.
Yes. Love some cheese around her.
And that's gonna stick together.
Yep, I gotta fold it. I will show in a little bit. So you don't have to go to Taco Bell. Just come here to the mamas. Okay. Minerville. You a mess. Okay, so now I gotta fold it. You just kind of fold it in. There we go. So now, come over here. You want to start off with it face down. So that way it gets all of that in there.
Oh, that's how you do that. So you fix one at a time.
Yep. So what we have.
And you have grease in there that what comes about halfway up?
Yeah, you don't want it to cover the whole thing. And don't have to be in here for long. I just want to make sure it fries the outside, and then I'll flip it over and fry that too. And I got some water on there. Okay, so now we're ready to flip it over.
Cool beans.
And let that side cook. Like I said, it doesn't take long. If you like them dark, you cook them however long you want to. We like lightly cooked stuff, so we'll just cook it where it's got a little golden brownness to it.
And they're done.
So goofy. Wait, does it say something?
No, girl. And then I just...
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it.
Yep.
It's my last video before school, right?
Yeah, you're gonna go to school.
It's my last video before school, so thank you guys for tuning in. We hope you try it. We hope you enjoy it.
Let us know what you think.
Put some comments down below.
Down below. And subscribe, like, subscribe, and keep following.
Ooh, kill it, chef, girl, our niece. Ooh, kill it, kill it. You on fire. You so hot, so on fire, so hot. What a fire extinguisher. I'm hot.
Y'all done. Y'all done.
Come on, Dad. Come on.
Y'all done.
Ooh, come on, Dad.
Oh, here come Fred Sample. Here come Fred Sample. Well, bye, y'all. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Push the nosy.
Push the nosy.